Bearded Science Guy here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple electric motor. Begin by wrapping 20 gauge magnet wire around a D battery until you have about 10 coils. Now take the ends of the wire and wrap them around the coil until they hold it securely in place. Make sure both wires are directly opposite of each other on the coil. With the coil standing vertically, sand the top half of the insulation off both wires. Now take two paper clips and bend them into long hooks with loops of wire at the end. After that, use electrical tape to secure the two paper clips to the D battery. Make sure that the loops of wire are about the same height off the battery. Now you're ready to put your electric motor together. Start with a base of either clay or Play-Doh. Place the D battery securely in the center with the loops of wire facing upwards. Now place a neodymium magnet on the top of the D battery. Finally, you're ready for your coil of wire. The coil of wire is an electromagnet, and when connected, it will begin to line up its magnetic fields with that of the neodymium magnet. However, since only half of the insulation was removed, as the electromagnet rotates, it turns off, gliding through the second half of the turn, only to repeat the process. If the insulation is removed from both sides of the wire, the electromagnet will turn to face the neodymium magnet, but then stop once both of the magnetic fields are lined up.